Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, so Ms. Pippin, as I said, we're going to have a competency hearing to determine if you're able to proceed in this.
What do you mean proceed?
As part of that,
I have been here this whole time, all 9 days. Where's Cindy Bottom's been?
part of that,
Well,
we're going to have.
Well, no, nobody's talked. I have not said. You need to show me everything that I've said, every single one. What I said, every single one. I have not said one word, not one word. Can't go ahead in case we get shut. So I know my laws. Ridiculous. I can't believe this. Show me proof. Show me injuries today. Show me.
Your Honor, at this time, the state has a motion for the DPA.
Maybe what?
We're going to dismiss without prejudice.
Yeah, I bet.
Well, that changes the picture a little bit.
Bet.
Pippin.
Thank you.
So the
Yeah.
assault charge against you is dismissed.
Yeah, I bet. This is unright. I'm going to get a lawsuit against the whole district because of you. Because $2 million you owe me today. Make sure I get all my money that I've paid for harassment from the police.
And then Ms. Bogas, we're going to need a rescission of the no contact.
What no contact? Okay, so what? Listen, Cindy is a client. I don't even know the woman, but she can come in here and lie. She's 3 felonies. I tried to help Washington State because I've been a taxpayer 30 years. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yeah, make sure that judge hands. He had a restraining order. I didn't talk. Am I talking? I don't.
I'll be with you in a minute there, ma'am.
No, me talking. Sorry.
Yep.
I thought you were talking. Sorry.
No, geez.
I can't believe that. What is it?
So this comes on for a arraignment, criminal trespass in the first degree and resisting arrest. So you are Elizabeth Pippin?
Sir.
Did you get a chance to speak with her regarding her legal rights?
I did, Your Honor. We tried to get through them. I did make them through. She advised that she did understand them. However, I do have 1077 concerns and will be filing a 1077 evaluation for Ms.
Okay.
Pippin.
Or what?
So I'm sorry, Ms. Pippin.
Hello, can I speak?
In a minute.
Oh, okay. Who is that person? Is it just me, or
Say that again.
is it just me that you're talking to? I can't see. Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm just speaking to you right now, but I'm going to look at some things first.
Maybe.
So where is okay. So Mr. Does she have a fixed address?
Your Honor, it does not sound like it. It sounds like the address where it has been criminally trespassed from was the address in which she was residing.
No 6.
And that is where all of her property was
Yeah,
at. And that's
I need my dogs back. I don't know where they are. They said that they have them. My dogs are my life and my world. And I just got finished with the whole thing with the court about fake charges on me. And I know this. I've talked to him, this guy, met me, Mr. Ham, before, and he has been very nice, and he's been explaining a lot. But
Okay, so hang on just a minute, ma'am. I can't. So tell me about this. What's alleged to have occurred here?
You what?
I wanted speaking to some of the people in court. I want to find out
I'm
kind of
sorry.
who's saying what about you, ma'am.
Somebody's saying about me.
Yes.
What?
I don't know. I'm going to find out. That's what I'm waiting for him to tell me.
Okay. I don't even know.
Go ahead. So, ma'am, you're here because you're charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest. So somebody's making the claim that those two things happen.
Oh,
I don't know anything about it. Let me finish, please. I don't know. Let me finish, please.
Okay.
I don't know anything about that other than that's what the charges are. What I'm going to ask the prosecutor is to tell me why you're charged with those things. Now, you might disagree with a lot of what you're going to hear. I get that, but I'm going to want to hear it. So, Mr. Holcomb.
Your Honor, the cliff notes of it is that law enforcement is dispatched to public service at Motel 6. A female guest, the defendant at the business had stayed past checkout time, and the business owner trespassed from the property. After multiple attempts in getting the guest to leave the property, the female was placed under arrest for trespass. The female was placed in a wrap after resisting detainment and handcuffs. The female was transported to the Nisqually jail and booked for criminal trespass in the first degree as well as resisting arrest. During the resisting, the defendant also kicked at or towards the arresting officer. Our office has looked into it and is not currently pressing assault third degree charges, but they were referred to our office. And I would just note that the defendant's behavior was more than just passive resistance.
Okay.
I'll tell you why I want to know.
Okay, ma'am, I don't want you to talk about what's alleged right now.
Can't believe this.
And
I have never been charged. I have never.
no, you haven't. You haven't. But
No, I've never been charged or arrested. Nothing. My
I know. I agree with you, ma'am. I can see that.
I mean, I don't understand. This is really hard for me because
I understand.
Hello, can I can't believe this crap. Sorry.
Just a minute. So that was dismissed.
Because I think you have maybe 2 names under me. 2 accounts under me for some reason. Because
Sold, it was recently been dismissed. So, Mr. Holcomb. So what you're going to do is 1077. So now we figure out where she's going to stay while that's pending. What's the state's position?
Your Honor, the state's position is that I would request an in-custody evaluation, and the reasons for that are twofold. Firstly, the state predicts it will be very difficult for a 1077 evaluator to be able to get a hold of the defendant upon being released. And secondly, the behavior that was exhibited or as alleged to have been exhibited in this case is not indicative of someone who is going to cooperate with the 1077 evaluation process while out of custody.
Not true. Not true. Yeah, I don't know you either. And listen, I've never been charged with a crime. The only reason why I've been having the issue right now is yes, my mom died. I have sold her estate in Kirkland. I have money and I don't need, I will hire a private lawyer like I have in the past. But two, I have been trying my hardest to do what they have asked. I have gotten my car done. Everything's legal now.
Okay, ma'am, can you ask, let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Do you have a place to go, place to live?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do. I've been in hotels for a while, and my dogs and we're having a fun time because I don't know where I want to live. But see, I had a house in Roy for 17 years, and Cindy Bottoms, which is all the root to everything here. Cindy Bottoms is the person that scammed me out of my property, my home, everything. 4 months. I got no money for her scam. She owes me $2 million now. That is why I'm so upset, because she is out of Yale and she is a major, major, major gangster. And I have been the victim.
Okay, hang on. Just again, I was just asking if you had a place to live.
Okay. Well, I'm just
Okay. Okay.
Well, yeah, no,
So,
I
Ms.
have to now, but please, where are my dogs?
I don't know, ma'am. I don't know.
I need my dogs. I haven't been able to even call anybody.
Ms. Myers.
Somebody call the hotel, please, and ask where they had my dogs, please. Or no, they have my dogs from Water Police. Will somebody find, please, my dog? Please.
Okay, so I'm going to appoint Thurston County Public Defense to represent you. I'm going to hear from Ms. Myers, respond to Mr. Holcomb.
Please.
And then,
my mom, I lost my husband. My mom, I have a Challenger. I don't even know where my car is. I don't know where any property is.
okay, well, Ms. Myers.
Thank you, Your Honor. At this point in time, we would be objecting to an in-custody evaluation. First and foremost, none of the reasons stated by Mr. Holcomb fall within the 3.2 guidelines, which I believe we're still operating under, even if there is an evaluation being requested. There is no reason to believe that she would be a flight risk. The statement that there would be a hard time getting in contact with her from DSHS is irrelevant in this situation, because they don't contact her directly. We contact the DSHS, and then we operate as kind of the middleman messenger situation and connect the client to the evaluation.
I don't know. I know. Thank you.
I think that really hurt custody.
Ma'am, you.
DSH, Eddie Byrne. I am fine. You have not given me any type. You don't know me, so please. I will hire my own private lawyer, I guess, because I don't think that it's fair that you don't know me. Okay, have never been any mental anything, but you know what I've been gone through the last one day here? I have been beaten so sideways by the men that picked me up from the hotel room and put me in straps. Put me so hard, the Tumwater police, man. I couldn't breathe. I was gasping. I was screaming bloody murder. And these are police officers. So when I got here, I was beaten up again by females. I had been branded. My handcuffs, my arms are 7 size bigger. 7.
Additionally, Your Honor, putting someone just based on asking someone to be held just based on their experiences is not.
Don't tell me about mental health. You don't know anything. So let me speak.
You have been, ma'am.
I know what I'm talking about. I have been beaten so bad. It's disgusting.
I don't think that there's a question that a 1037 evaluation should happen. However, individuals are still entitled to rights and not to be held in custody just because of their housing status, and also just based on what we think might happen with their connection with the DSHS. That's something that our office does, we've been appointed.
I won't
something that we'll be able
qualify.
to figure out if we're able to do.
Try to get ahead. People don't, they keep slamming you down. You try to get ahead, people slam you down. I'm just trying to get back on. I'm doing great. And everything's fine. It was done with everything, and then slam. It's just lo and behold, I get hit again by this one people, Tom Water. They come in and they hit you and they handcuff you. They put you over. This is like the most unreal thing I've ever seen in my life. I don't trust police. I'm very scared of them. Very scared. Because I have not only been, you should see.
Okay, ma'am. So what's going to happen today is I'm going to set bail in the amount of $500 cash or bond.
We're
We're going to set it. I will sign a 1077 order. Basis for that is I'm frankly concerned about her ability or willingness to reappear based on what I've heard. Today, we'll set it 1 week from today at 1:30 for a competency review.
Can you look at that? Your Honor, I was just there at that I hear on your district court. I was there every day for the whole year. I've seen you lots of times too.
Okay. And we'll see you again 1 week from today. And that bail is very low. And if you make that bail, you still need to be back in court a week from today at 1:30. So that's it for today, ma'am. You can be taken back.
So I'm released.
No, ma'am. Your bail's going to be set in the amount of 500 cash or bond.
Again,
And then I'll need that order here,
You
Ms.
what?
Myers.
I don't have.
You can be taken back, ma'am.